Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to exit an archived group on WhatsApp using the desktop app after the new update. If you've got a group sitting in your archived section that you don't really need anymore, following along will help you remove yourself from it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open up the WhatsApp application on your computer. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see your regular chats, and just above or within that list, there's an option labeled Archived. Click on that option to view the chats and groups you've previously archived. Inside the Archived section, scroll through and find the group you'd like to leave. It could be an old work group, a project chat, or just a group you no longer take part in. Once you spot the group, move your mouse over it and right-click on the chat. A menu will appear with several options. From this list, click on Exit Group. This tells WhatsApp that you no longer want to be a part of that conversation. At this point, a small confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to exit. Go ahead and confirm the step. That's all it takes. The group will instantly disappear from your archived list, and you'll no longer receive messages or notifications from it. Keep in mind that exiting a group only removes you as a member. It doesn't delete the group for the other participants, so they can continue chatting without you. This update makes it super straightforward to manage chats directly from the desktop app, giving you more control over your conversations without needing to pick up your phone. Whether you're cleaning up old chats, organizing your WhatsApp more effectively, or just reducing clutter, exiting an archived group is a great way to stay organized. And that's it. With these few simple clicks, your WhatsApp desktop app becomes cleaner, and you can focus on the chats that matter most to you.